we will lose 1 week of production, which is also means loss of sales, most of revenue, also the government as well. You see, yeah. So when you look at the value of the item and the cost the industry is because of these other laws, then it's sort of conflicting now in changing of what you're trying to do. There is not enough engagement now to say, well, you do the laws now, are they really now bringing this to make the industry easier? Was one thing or not that the list before was limited to a selection of products, but of late now it's diversifying with almost everything. So what's happening now is now that they slow down the process of imports, and that's